Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda CRV front bumper. First, it's crucial to thoroughly assess the damage. Look closely to determine if you're dealing with minor scratches, a significant dent, or a crack. This initial step helps you decide whether a simple repair is possible or if a full bumper replacement is necessary. Gathering your tools, like a heat gun, sandpaper, and safety gear, is also essential before you begin any work. For minor damage like scratches and scuffs, start by cleaning the affected area with soap and water. Once dry, use a fine grit sandpaper, perhaps 400 to 600 grit, to gently smooth out the imperfections. After sanding, apply a thin layer of touch-up paint that matches your vehicle's color, followed by a clear coat. This process helps blend the repair and protect the surface from further damage. When dealing with dents, a heat gun on a low setting can help soften the plastic, allowing you to gently push the dent out from behind. For cracks, a plastic welding kit offers a strong, lasting repair, or you can use a 2-part epoxy adhesive. After the repair, sand the area smooth with 800 to 1000 grit sandpaper, then apply a primer. This ensures a uniform surface for your final paint application. Once repairs are complete, carefully reattach the bumper to your Honda CRV. Make sure all original fasteners, clips, and screws are securely in place to prevent any looseness. Double-check the alignment with the surrounding body panels to ensure a flush and even fit. Finally, apply your chosen paint color, followed by a clear coat for protection and shine, allowing each layer to dry completely for professional and durable finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.